Today we're going to show you guys how to install a shower niche. Now this shower niche is going to be a his and hers, so it's going to be bigger than our usual ones. We get our level line, we level all the way across the tub. We make sure it works with tile. Then from there, we know that our tile layout to 4 inches. We know that our box is 12 by 28 rough opening. So now we can mark everything. We use our lasers for levels always. We cut out of the Durarock backer board, Then we set this in. When screwing in the Schluter, we put washers on the back of Baxter screws to hold it in place. Then we thin set. This is ProLite thin set. Then we tape over it, and then we thin set over the tape. Next, we're going to be spreading our thin set on the entire inside of the niche, and we're going to be using our stone tile. That's going to be our backboard of our niche. So we're going to tile all the way up. There it is set. And we forget it. Now it's time for our red guard. We red guard the entire shower walls. We're starting with the corners. Red guard makes it waterproof because Hardy backer board is water resistant, not waterproof. After 2 coats of waterproofing, we now have waterproof Hardy backer. Now for the his and hers, we want to break it down into 2 sections. They give you a shelf. We made it wider because we want it to be 4 inches so that the course of our tile runs right through the shelves and they look like 2 separate boxes. Now, this was all figured out in our layout. That layout I was telling you is crucial. Everything is decided based on that layout, so you got to be right. Now, we used Schluter system, the metal trim. We used antique bronze to accent the box, and we built it with the same tile that we used on the walls. We just turned it vertically to trim it out. And then we did our own little custom inlay on top. Now we grout the back of the niche. Went with a linen prison grout because that's the same thing we're going to do in the walls and bring it all together. And here is our finished look. Everything really ties together nicely with this his and hers shelf. It's a 12 by 12 shelf once it's done. His and hers. Hope you guys learned something and this was helpful.
Hi, this is Princess Delaney. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.